We're on the line with Benny Cox from Producers and Cargyle, San Angelo. Benny, how did the sheep and goat sale?
We got along good. We got back near what we had last week. We had 65.88. Last week we had 66.35. The slaughter lambs, actually the lot into those lambs are $5-10 higher. And I call the heavier weights near steady. There were some of those just big old 90-something pounders last week that were sure higher than any of them were this week. But it was awful good. And a lot of people were thinking it might not be with that holiday starting, like yesterday or today. I think it started today, and figured that a bunch of those people, they feast right after they're fasting, that would kind of shut things down, but apparently it didn't have much of an influence on that. The slaughter ewes, they were kind of 7 to 15 lower. Of course, they were crazy high last week. The kid goats, they sold $4 to $8 higher. Slaughter nanny still sold awful good this past 2 weeks. Have been really good. 120 to 216 on those, mostly 160 to 181. Your slaughter billy sold from 170 to 234. The few wool lambs that we had that could have gone to a feed pen, and none of them are. They haven't in a good while, matter of fact. And they sell in a range from 242 on some old big things all the way up to 285 on some lighter weights. The hair sheep slaughter type from 250 all the way to 355. Lots of them over $3. We had a good many from 3 to 315 yesterday. The heavier weights from 220 all the way to 297. On the slaughter ewes from 90 to 132, but mostly 98 to 123. Kid goats 250 all the way up to 430, but mostly 318 to 376.
Sounds like you had a good sale. What was the count again?
The whole sale 65.88.
Benny, tell everybody how to get a hold of you for the sheep and goat or cattle sales in San Angelo.
Sure, they can call me on my mobile. It's 325-234-4277. The office, same area code, 653-3371. Or they can always look at the web, which is producersandcargyle.com.
Thanks for the call, Benny. Appreciate you.
Adios.
Bye-bye.